Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a blogger personal blog to your Instagram bio. So here when I open up my Instagram and if I search for a blogger, here you can see a blogger text written. So how can you add this to your bio as well? Here you can see that I have nothing on my bio. So if I want to add that, for that first you need to convert your personal Instagram to your business Instagram account, because personal Instagram doesn't allow you to add that option. So for that you need to click on the three lines and then click on settings, and then here you need to click on account and then scroll down until you see switch to professional account. Click on it and then you will see some of the features. Click on continue, and here you need to search for blogger if you want to add blog. If you want to add personal blog, click on personal blog. I will go with blogger, and if you want to display it, enable this option and then continue. This will take up to 30 seconds. So here click on next and then click on next and then not now, and if I go to my profile you will see a blogger written in my Instagram bio. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video, and thank you for watching.